Most people, when they first hit the water, they seem like they're a little cold.
I mean, it was cold.
My mouth's still frozen, so I can hardly talk here right now.
I guess the coldness made it all numb.
But you get warmed up quickly when you remember why you're doing it.
Well, the event today is a Special Olympics polar plunge for Special Olympics Virginia. It's the first time having the event up here at the Mosaic District.
Today's event, we were raising money to send 7 athletes from Virginia, 5 of which are here in Northern Virginia, to the World Games in Abu Dhabi in March.
Hopefully people will find out more about this. I know this is like the first year we've done it here at the Mosaic District. Tell the people to come out and support and donate for Special Olympics.
My favorite part was watching, we had 3 Fairfax County public schools, middle schools, that were raising money for their school-based programs of Special Olympics in their schools. So those funds are helping right here in Fairfax, as well as helping those athletes go.
It makes me feel amazing, great, good, because I know it's all for a good cause.
So we have to be accessible to all and let everybody be their true selves. And Special Olympics is one of the great causes that does exactly that.
Are you going to jump today?
Next year.
Next year?
Yeah.
Okay.
They can get more information at polarplunge.com, or you can go to specialolympicsva.org and see a bunch of information about our local programming here and throughout the entire state.